It's a beautiful day here at Myers RV in Apollo, Pennsylvania. Today we're checking out a used Forest River Cherokee Limited 39RL. It has a sliding glass door, slide on either side in the back, and a slide for the bed. It has outdoor speakers, TV mount, 110 and your cable hookups. Go around to the other side real quick. We have storage for under your bed. This is your bed slide. We have outdoor shower, your freshwater city water connections, your power connections. And big slide on the back there. You'll notice there's a hood over the oven that's vented to the outside instead of a charcoal filter. That's very nice. Let's take a look inside. So I'm gonna go into the bedroom first. You'll see it has lots of cabinets everywhere. Queen size bed. TV goes on the little dresser there, and it does have a ceiling fan. Gotta have the ceiling fan when I'm sleeping. I don't know about anybody else. And here's the bathroom. There's a mirror on either side. That'll make it nice to do your hair in the morning. Now let's go out to the kitchen. Now the kitchen, lots of cabinets, wine holder above the fridge. It is a residential fridge. Oven, stove top, microwave, and there's the hood I was talking about, venting to outside. Big, beautiful island. On the other side, we have a freestanding table and chairs. A pull-out couch, more cabinets for storage all the way around, 2 recliner chairs in the back, and look at this beautiful entertainment center. Nice brickwork, mount for your TV, fireplace, Furrion DVD player, and again, so many cabinets in here. I think my favorite part might be all these beautiful big windows. Our view out back here is really nice today. The sun's shining, the leaves are starting to come back for spring. And that's the Cherokee Limited.